Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. I've just acquired this absolutely stunning and very rare BMW 335 xDrive estate. xDrive meaning it's four-wheel drive, and it's got the M Performance body styling. So you can see we've got front park distance control, it's got the blue calipers for the M Sport, rear privacy glass, rear park distance control, boot space, lovely condition, a load cover there as well, rear privacy glass, twin exhausts, electric tailgate, rear camera, it's the twin opening tailgate as well. This drives absolutely fantastic. You've got full leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors. I'll just sit inside the car, start it up. Got the paddle shift on the gearbox, fully automatic, 61,252 miles, automatic headlights, cruise control, satellite navigation, reverse camera, heated seats, different driving styles, full iDrive, map for the satellite navigation, full media pack. Go to the menu, all the menu there. Full service history, last done in March 2024, there at 60,000, all BMW. I don't know whether I mentioned the heated seats, centre armrest with a USB. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please just call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.